Welcome to another episode of Topless Tom's Garage. I got a special one for you today. That is a boat, that is a motor, and I need to replace the power pack so that son of a bitch works. So stick with me, should be fun. Now I know many of y'all might be wondering, what is a power pack? Well, a power pack is very similar to a series of ignition coils, and this actually comes before the coils on the boat. So this is where the power is actually generated from when it gets from the motor, sends it out to the coil, and then blows it up in the cylinders. So first things first, got to take this sucker apart, and then we can see what we're working with. That is a power pack, and that's from 1996. And as we all know from old electronics, it probably doesn't work. So we're also going to replace these spark plug lives because those are old and nasty. So here we have the old one, and here we have the shiny new one, all in its blue glory. Hopefully it works. Fingers crossed. Now comes the fun of trying to figure out where the long ones go and where the short ones go. I know where the little ones go. Oops. Just like that, I think it's fixed. It looks beautiful. Hopefully it works. Fingers crossed.